So Rich caught a big rainbow trout the other day. And we're seasoning it up here, getting ready to have it for dinner. It was so big we decided just to fillet the meat off. And Lacey's already got it cooking on the stove top here. I like to throw it in a bag, put some lemon pepper on it, maybe a couple hours before we're going to eat. And we throw a little bit of this Old Bay on there and a little flour in a bag and shake it up real good. And then we fry it in some oil. It's usually pretty good. The kids like it. So we've left the skin on one side. Okay, here we go. It's got a little coating of flour and seasoning on it. It's got the skin still on the other side, so we'll cook it on that side first. It'll be delicious. It's a pretty big fish. It was a 4.5 pounder. Anyway, that's how we like to do those big rainbow trout. And the small ones, we don't even fillet them. We just season them up good, toss them in the oil, and fry them. Kids love it. What do you got?
I caught a giant fish, and I struggled to deal with it.
Let's see. 1, 2, about 3 hands. He's probably 27 inches.